Your body hears everything your mind says. Naomi Judd. Chapter 6. The Science. Are you intentionally listening to your own body? Welcome to a behind-the-scenes exploration of the remarkable world of stem cells. Like the unveiling of a magnificent illusion, we invite you to witness the magic and demystify the science that lies at the core of stem cell therapies. Our bodies often communicate with us in subtle ways, and, as Naomi Judd insightfully points out above, our minds play an instrumental role in this conversation. In essence, stem cells are the ultimate superheroes of regeneration. These versatile cells possess the extraordinary ability to transform into various cell types and replenish damaged tissues within our bodies. They are the architects of repair, revitalizing, and rejuvenating our biological infrastructure with precision and finesse. Demystifying stem cells. As we peel back the layers of scientific complexity, we discover that stem cells can be sourced from various places in our bodies, from bone marrow to adipose tissue, and even umbilical cord tissue. These remarkable cells hold the potential to unleash a cascade of regenerative power. But let us not forget the pivotal role of skilled medical professionals, who harness the potential of stem cells and guide them towards the desired outcomes. Their expertise and meticulous attention to detail ensure that the magic of stem cells is harnessed safely and effectively, bringing hope and rejuvenation to those who seek it. Itty-bitty powerhouses, explaining exosomes. In the microscopic world of cellular communication, a hidden treasure awaits our discovery. Enter the world of exosomes, the tiny messengers secreted by stem cells that carry a payload of regenerative potential. These itty-bitty powerhouses, like cosmic couriers, travel through our bodies, delivering vital instructions and promoting healing and rejuvenation. They contain a rich cargo of growth factors, proteins, and genetic material that orchestrate the intricate dance of cellular renewal. As we unravel the mysteries of exosomes, we discover their unique ability to communicate with neighboring cells, kickstarting the regenerative processes and promoting tissue repair. These extraordinary cellular messengers hold the key to unlocking the full potential of stem cell therapies, allowing us to harness the power of regeneration. All cells, both prokaryotes and eukaryotes, release extracellular vesicles, EVs, as part of their normal physiology and during acquired abnormalities. Callery and Lebeau, 2020. To simplify this, here are some definitions to better understand these complex terms. Cells. These are the tiny building blocks of all living things. Prokaryotes. These are simple cells like bacteria. Eukaryotes. These are more complex cells, like the ones humans have. Extracellular vesicles, EVs. These are tiny bubble-like things that cells release. Physiology. This is how the parts of a living thing work together. Acquired abnormalities. This means changes or problems that a cell gets over time. So the scientific sentence above is saying that every cell, whether it's a simple one like bacteria or a complex one like in humans, releases these tiny bubbles. They do this normally, but they can also do it when there's a problem in the cell. So exosomes are one type of these bubbles or extracellular vesicles, EVs, that cells release. They come from a specific place inside the cell and have a special role in communication between cells. They carry messages in the form of proteins, lipids, and even bits of DNA or RNA to other cells. EVs can be broadly categorized into ectosomes and exosomes. Ectosomes include vesicles such as microvesicles, microparticles, and large vesicles. On the other hand, exosomes are the smallest of EVs, originating from the endosome. Okay, to better picture this, imagine that your cell is a water balloon. Now picture the balloon pinching a tiny part of itself out, making a mini water balloon. These mini water balloons are what scientists call microvesicles. They are made when the outer layer of the cell pushes out a little piece of itself. They're like tiny floating bubbles that come from the main bubble. These exosomes contain various cellular constituents, including DNA, RNA, lipids, metabolites, and proteins. The exact physiological purpose of exosome production is still a topic of ongoing research, but they seem to have roles in cellular homeostasis and intercellular communication. Couriers and Lebeau, 2020. Advances in exosomes and EVs. Exosomes, tiny packets released by cells, have been linked to many health processes and conditions, ranging from immune reactions to disease progression. Notably, they can carry proteins and other vital molecules influencing other cells. Researchers see potential in them for treating diseases like cancer and also for disease detection. Now, to understand the broader picture, imagine our body's cells as factories. One of their products is called an extracellular vesicle, EV. These are tiny bubble-like structures cells release, which play a key role in how cells talk to each other. The main types of EVs are 1. Exosomes. Picture a factory with special compartments inside. These compartments pack exosomes and send them out, like a factory releasing mini products. They are very tiny, among the smallest products the factory releases. Microvesicles. Visualize a water balloon. Occasionally, tiny bubbles form on its surface and pop off. These bubbles are microvesicles, each varying in size, but all incredibly small. Apoptotic bodies. When a building gets old, it's demolished in a controlled manner. Similarly, cells demolish themselves in a process called apoptosis. The resulting chunks are apoptotic bodies, the large debris from the cell demolition. These EVs are everywhere in our body, from blood to urine to saliva. They're now a big deal in health research because they might help detect and treat many diseases. On a personal note, the first time I received stem cell treatment, I was given exosomes alongside. I was informed that the true potential of stem cells usually manifests 3 to 4 months post-treatment. Hence, my astonishment was profound when, just a day after the treatment, my 3-decade-old lower back injury felt completely alleviated. I reached out to the doc, perplexed at how the stem cells could have rendered such swift healing, especially when I was under the impression that their effect could take longer. He clarified that it was the exosomes that brought about the immediate relief, showcasing their prompt therapeutic potential. Action: the mechanics and benefits of stem cells. Now that we have demystified the magic of stem cells and shed light on the role of exosomes, let's discuss the mechanics and benefits of these remarkable cellular superheroes. Stem cell therapies offer a multifaceted approach to healing and rejuvenation. They can aid in tissue repair, improve joint health and mobility, promote youthful skin, and enhance overall well-being. By harnessing the regenerative potential of stem cells and their secreted exosomes, we can tap into a wellspring of possibilities for optimized health and vitality. Moreover, stem cell treatments offer a personalized touch, tailored to your unique needs and aspirations. Skilled medical professionals evaluate your specific requirements and design a customized plan to maximize the benefits of these therapies. It's a holistic approach that empowers you to take charge of your well-being on a crossing of ageless vitality. So, as we continue to unravel the science behind stem cells and exosomes, let us appreciate the intricate choreography of cellular regeneration. It's a symphony of healing, where stem cells take center stage and exosomes provide the harmonious accompaniment, offering the promise of a rejuvenated life filled with beauty, vitality, and endless possibilities. Scientific insights into stem cells and exosomes. As we begin to explore the science behind stem cells and exosomes, it is crucial to dig into the documented research that underpins their remarkable potential. Let us shine a spotlight on some key studies that have shed light on the efficacy and benefits of these regenerative powerhouses. A study published in the journal Cell Stem Cell demonstrated the therapeutic potential of stem cell transplantation in improving cardiac function after a heart attack. The research highlighted the regenerative capabilities of stem cells, showing their ability to enhance tissue repair and promote functional recovery. In another notable study, published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation, researchers investigated the role of exosomes in promoting tissue regeneration. Lai et al., 2010. The findings revealed that exosomes derived from mesenchymal stem cells exhibit potent regenerative effects, stimulating tissue repair and reducing inflammation. Furthermore, a comprehensive review published in Nature Reviews Immunology explored the immunomodulatory properties of mesenchymal stem cells and their derived exosomes. Golchin et al., 2019. The review highlighted the therapeutic potential of exosomes in modulating immune responses and promoting tissue regeneration, offering insights into their broader applications in regenerative medicine. These studies, along with numerous others in the scientific literature, provide substantial evidence supporting the regenerative potential of stem cells and their secreted exosomes. The documented research not only reinforces the efficacy of these therapies, but also underscores their importance in advancing the frontiers of medical science. As we continue to unravel the documented research, let us seize the spirit of scientific exploration and curiosity. By staying informed and engaging with the latest scientific advancements, we can make informed decisions and navigate the realm of regenerative medicine with confidence and clarity. Pushing the boundaries, advancements in stem cell research. The field of stem cell research continues to push the boundaries of medical science, fueling advancements that hold promise for those seeking innovative solutions for their well-being. Let us explore some recent studies and discoveries that have propelled this cutting-edge field forward. A groundbreaking study published in the journal Nature Biotechnology demonstrated the potential of induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs, in disease modeling and drug discovery. Takahashi et al., 2017. The researchers generated iPSCs from patients with various diseases, enabling them to study the underlying mechanisms of these conditions and screen potential therapeutic compounds. In another noteworthy development, research at the Salk Institute for Biological Studies successfully restored vision in blind mice using stem cell-derived photoreceptor cells. Sinai et al., 2017. This achievement showcased the regenerative power of stem cells in repairing damaged tissues and sparked hope for potential treatments for vision loss in humans. Furthermore, a study published in the International Journal of Molecular Medicine, Zhou et al., 2022, explains how exosomes derived from stem cells have been found to speed up the healing of skin wounds by improving angiogenesis through the CDC42/P38 MAPK pathway. In other words, CDC42 and P38 are like commanders inside our cells that give orders to other parts of the cell. When they work together, they help in important jobs like healing wounds. Think of them as team leaders, guiding a group to complete a project. In this case, the project is helping wounds to heal faster. This research emphasizes the potential therapeutic applications of stem cells, particularly in the realm of cutaneous wound healing. Health and stem cell innovations are intertwining, and the potential of umbilical cord tissue stem cells is gaining traction. Recent findings on exosomes show their remarkable capabilities in tissue regeneration and acceleration of wound closure. This fresh approach offers improved healing outcomes, highlighting the ever-evolving landscape of stem cell research. Let's lighten the moment and get real. Have you ever wondered what rich people say when tickling their little kids? Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. The future of alternative medicine for you. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci is understood by the moneyed to mean high quality. The highest quality is rarely the cheapest or least expensive. Sure, you can buy the knockoff brand. I've done it, and perhaps you have too. But the quality difference remains. U.S.-Mexico Stem Cell Institute guarantees the highest quality mesenchymal stem cells found in the world today, over 99% viability. Embrace tomorrow, your wellness path. With stem cells and exosomes, a future filled with immense possibilities is right around the corner. If you have an affinity for cutting-edge advancements, this is your chance to seize these breakthroughs tailored for your well-being. In Tijuana, Mexico, the U.S.-Mexico Stem Cell Institute is where stem cell therapy promises come to life. Pioneering the utilization of umbilical cord tissue stem cells, this institute, with its dedicated team, is here to guide you towards optimal health. Your personal call to the future. The time is now for you to access the pinnacle of medical advancement. The U.S.-Mexico Stem Cell Institute invites you to explore the transformative potential of regenerative medicine. As we witness the fusion of modern science and medical progress, the Institute in Tijuana stands ready to provide you with the best of stem cell research. Ready to experience this health innovation? Schedule your consultation now at usmexsci@gmail.com.